This motorhome is the Chausson X550, also known as the Challenger X150. This motorhome is designed to be a sort of a cross between a motorhome and a campervan. 6 meters in length, but only 210 centimeters in width. So it should be as easy to drive as a campervan. At least that is the idea. It's got this enormous lounge. I mean, bear in mind it's only 6 meters in length. We've got here 2 burners and a large sink, plenty of storage below, and at the back we've got a large shower and toilet and a ultra large sink. And now I'm going to put the camera up there so you can see the shower unit, which is back here. If I can actually get the thing, there you go. So turn the thing around and you can see it. As you can see, I've got a problem today. My gimbal has given up the ghost. The reserve gimbal wasn't charged, and the third gimbal, I don't really want to use it because it's too heavy. Anyway, there you go. This is the garage, which is unfortunately quite small. Storage up there, storage there. The bed is up here in the roof, and that will obviously drop down, and you can also make a bed down here as well. Now this thing here will sleep 4 people, quite a lot. Oh, I didn't mention the amount of storage here as well, did I? So there you go. If you want to see a video with more details, there'll be a link to that below, and I got my dog Tosha to do the video on it. Table's enormous. Right, so what's the cost of something like that? That is a particularly good question, and in this case the answer is, as I recall, about 80,000 or just under. Haven't got the price here, but that says what I recall. It's got all of those features you can see up there, including Isofix in the seats. It's got a very large shower, but you saw that, and it says the decor is exclusive. Now I'm trying to do this video in under 3 minutes to give you a brief introduction, and that's what you've got. So see the link below, if I put one in, to a video with far more details. Thanks for watching.